Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your Windows 7 is updated enough for VPN support, and you have administrator rights. Next, choose a reputable VPN provider and note the server address, protocol preference, and your login credentials. If the provider supplies a Windows client, download it now. Otherwise, plan to use the built-in Windows VPN setup. Once done, close other apps to avoid interruptions and open the control panel so you can start creating the new network connection immediately. Now configure the connection. Open Network and Sharing Center and select Set up a new connection or network, then choose a Workplace VPN. Enter the server address provided by the VPN, pick the protocol, PPTP for ease, L2TP/ICAV2 for better security, and type your username and password. Make sure to click Properties to adjust security. Set encryption to require maximum strength, and for L2TP, add the pre-shared key under the Security tab. Once configured, save the connection profile so you can connect quickly later. To finish, click the network icon in the system tray, select your new VPN connection and press Connect. Once it shows connected, verify the VPN is working by checking your public IP and location using an IP lookup, and then test access to websites or services that were blocked previously. If it fails, make sure the firewall or router isn't blocking the VPN protocol, confirm protocol compatibility with your provider, and re-enter credentials. If L2TP fails, try switching to another supported protocol or reinstalling the client.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.